Hello, my name is Jessica Flores, and the project is called Slow the Flow. The project summary is we want to conserve water at Fillmore High School using some methods. The goal is to decrease the amount the school district spends on Fillmore High School's water bill. We believe a big portion of the school's water bill is due to the amount of water waste in the various restrooms around campus. We believe that if we as a school improved our faucets and toilets, our share of the water bill would decrease. The objective was to modify the faucets so we can save as much water as possible from running. Using the dual thread water aerator will help save 25% from about the 3/4 gallons per minute we currently have. Using this aerator can not only help decrease the water bill, but it's also inexpensive. We found ours for only $3.04. An aerator can typically range from $3 to $5. We'd also fix the leaky toilet so the school saves around $300 a month. This process can be started whenever, and it will show the results really quickly. For the faucets, before going into the faucets and toilets, we took a survey and checked how many toilets and faucets we have to round up to gather how much money we would need to spend on the faucets and toilets. So for the toilets in the boys' restrooms, there are 16, and for the girls, there are 21, making it a total of 37, not counting urinals. For faucets, there were 21 for the boys and 19 for the girls, making it a total of 40. And on our survey, the average student at Fillmore High School flushes once when they use the restrooms. And the average student at Fillmore High School also runs the faucet for 30 seconds. So for the faucets, we calculated how much an aerator would save water and the total cost of all of the aerators. We found ours for $3.04 at Home Depot, and since there are 40 faucets in the school, total at school restrooms, we would need 40 aerators, making it a total cost of $121.06. Using that dual thread aerator saves 25% of our current gallons per minute, which is saving 0.81 gallons per minute. So for the math behind it, if you took the toilets, that was 1.6 gallons per flush, which is every toilet. That's how much it flushes every single toilet. And say that every single toilet, 37, was leaking, it would waste 200 gallons per day. So if you times 1.6 times 900 flushes a day, which is one flush by a student, and adding the 200 gallons a day, you would get 1,640 gallons a day. For the faucets, if leaky faucets runs about 3/4 per minute, it would, and if we conserved about 0.81 gallons, it would be better because the average student has the faucet running for about 30 seconds. So if we multiplied 0.375 gallons per second times 900 students, which is 30 seconds per student, it would give us a total of 337.5 gallons a day. So say that the yearly bill was $12,353.60, and if we averaged that, we would get a total of $1,029.50 a month that we are spending. And so if we added the total gallons that we have for toilets and faucets, it'd be 1,977.5 gallons a day. So if we multiply that number by 30 days that are in a month, we would get approximate gallons per month. So it'd be 59.325 approximate gallons a month. And so for the faucet, it is a very simple process to put an aerator on. To install it, you would do so much as unscrew the old faucet tap with a wrench if you would need it, since if it was old. And later you could buy the new ones or order them. It's a very simple process to get. And so the aerator would be running if you use the aerator, it'd be running for, it only weighs half of a gallon per minute. For the toilets, if we were to fix the leaky toilet, it would be able to save $300 a month, and the custodians would be able to do the process of checking the toilets and finding the ones that are leaking to work on them. And so overall, our evaluation methods was that with water alone, we'd managed to decrease the water bill by exactly $200 and $297.48. So if on April, say we spent $1,236.25, we would, and if we were to do the, if we were to get the leaky toilet improved, then we would only have spent $938.77. And just apart from that, the faucets also using the 0.50 gallons per minute aerator will save 25% with every single faucet, which is a huge amount that we would save per month. And overall, we'd improve our restrooms and we'd see the difference quickly. So for the communication plan, I decided to make an Instagram account to show the Fillmore High School students the process and tips of how to conserve water. Our Instagram account helps us by communicating with the students, and we would interact with them about the topic of conserving water. And we like to post a lot about saving water at your house too, because it is also very important. And our Instagram account is water_da_warriors.